Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
Gotten over 1 million hits on this video on our YouTube channel. 2 drivers caught on camera fighting in a South Bay intersection right before shots rang out. Just 2 hours ago, the teenager accused of opening fire on that other driver faced a judge for the first time. CBS 8's Heather Hope is live in the South Bay right now.
Yes, and we're getting those details just now. That 19-year-old Giulio Repetto in court with the judge giving him no bail. His attorney saying that he was the driver, and both him and the driver being charged for attempted murder in this case. The judge ordered we not show his face. Here's what his attorney for Giulio Repetto said as he pleaded not guilty in court today.
He waives further reading. He enters a plea of not guilty and denies each and every allegation.
It sounds like the defendant and co-defendant are hunting for confrontations, finding those confrontations, initiating those confrontations, and then
The Deputy District Attorney Alan Brown says Giulio Repetto is one of 2 people charged in 2 violent road rage incidents. We have cell phone video of that one that took place May 4th, where witnesses say they saw 2 cars racing, Repetto and his girlfriend in a silver Hyundai Elantra around 10 a.m. off Olympic Parkway, where they say a fight broke out at a stoplight. Witnesses say they saw Repetto yell out, "I'm going to kill you," and fired 4 gunshots that hit a driver in the bicep, in his hand, and in his car. And 1 round was unaccounted for. But during the course of the investigation, investigators connected to another incident, this taking place on Canyon Drive in Eastlake, February 16th in the same car. They say this time it was also a road rage type of incident. Both cars ended up at the side of the road. Both males got out and got into a fight. The prosecutor says Repetto's girlfriend, the driver, hit the 41-year-old driver who just last week picked out Repetto and the woman out of a photo lineup. Here's how he describes that violent incident from February.
That the female then got out of the driver's side of the specific car and came over and hit the victim several times on the back. When the victim got home after this incident, he realized that he had been stabbed. He was stabbed 8 to 9 times.
And in both road rage incidents, both those male victims had non-life-threatening injuries, and police searched Repetto's home. They say they found more ammunition. His attorney says he is a lifelong Chula Vista resident with no prior record. He is due back in court next month for a preliminary hearing. Marcella.
Heather, what is next for the woman who was driving in this case?
As for that female driver in this case, what she's telling us now is that she is out on bail. She is currently out. She is due back in court on Monday. She is also facing an attempted murder charge.
All right, we'll stay on top of this case. Thanks so much.
The man and woman who were caught on cell phone video last year involved in a pair of road rage incidents in Chula Vista. Just hours ago, they learned how much time they'll spend behind bars. ABC 10 News reporter Perla Shaheen was in court today when those punishments were handed down.
Prosecutors say Giulio Repetto and Serenity Nieblas were both 19 years old when they were involved in 2 separate road rage incidents. They were charged with attempted murder and pled guilty to assault. And today, a judge sentenced Repetto to 8 years and Nieblas to 7. Giulio Repetto and his girlfriend Serenity Nieblas appeared in court on Wednesday for their sentencing.
We'll submit on the agreement, Your Honor.
Repetto pleaded guilty to the road rage incident in May of last year. In this cell phone video, you can see Repetto in the black hoodie, fighting the man wearing white at a busy intersection in Otay Ranch.
The defendant was seen by witnesses reaching towards his waistband, uttering the words to the effect of, "I'll kill you."
You can see Nieblas, who was pregnant at the time, running toward the trunk of the silver car. Repetto eventually got into the passenger seat and pulled out a gun. Prosecutors say Repetto shot the other man's bicep and hand, then Nieblas drove away.
Allegation for the use of the firearm, that would bring the subtotal, that would be an additional 3 years.
Repetto was sentenced to 8 years in prison, but has been behind bars for a year, so he'll serve 7 more. Nieblas pleaded guilty to a different road rage incident a few months earlier in the Eastlake neighborhood. Repetto and another driver got into an argument. Both got out of their cars to fight on the side of the road. Prosecutors say Nieblas then stabbed the other driver in his back.
When the victim got home after this incident, he realized that he had been stabbed. He was stabbed 8 to 9 times.
Nieblas was sentenced to 7 years for assault, but she won't serve all 7 years unless she violates probation. She has 3 years of probation. Only the first will be in prison. Perla Shaheen, ABC 10 News.
Is this the correct sentence?